I'm Chris Shattuck, and this is How to Fix Broken Views and Work with Taxonomy. In this chapter, we extend our knowledge of views by adding filters and fixing broken view handlers. We then create a new taxonomy vocabulary to categorize our guides according to specialty. In the last chapter, we wrapped up by modifying the date field in all three of our tour content pieces. And in this chapter, we're going to begin by deleting the original field. So let's go ahead and go to Structure. And then let's click on Content Types. And let's edit our tour content type. I'm going to click on Manage Fields. Okay. And here we have our two dates fields. Let's go ahead, now that we've moved all of our data from the original date field to the new date field, let's remove this original one by clicking Delete next to the field. We get a confirmation form. Let's go ahead and click Delete to confirm. Okay, now you see we only have one dates field.